In this video, you will learn about Amazon sponsored brands videos. We will talk about them with our guest Joe from Perpetua, who will explain more about these kind of advertising possibilities, and also he will present the new tool available inside Perpetua's dashboard, which allows you to create videos without video editing software. Very interesting. Enjoy this conversation, and if you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell as well, because here we talk to different Amazon experts, software providers, event organizers. So today we talk about sponsored video ads, and my guest is Joe from Perpetua. Hello, Joe.
Hi, Augustas. Nice to be here again.
Our other guest is Lisett, which works with Amazon brands, and she will help us to talk about video ads. So, Joe, can you tell us a little bit what company are you representing, and how do you help Amazon sellers?
Yeah, absolutely. So first and foremost, I'm Joe from Perpetua. So Perpetua is an optimization and analytical tool for all Amazon advertising units. So what we're trying to build is a tool that allows you to combine the power of always-on optimizations with human intelligence and direction. What we're really excited to talk about today is our new tool that we've built for the sponsored brand video ad unit that's taking everything we've already been doing from a campaign creation and optimization standpoint, and also adding in a video creator tool so that now everyone can get access to this awesome ad unit.
Please, let's first introduce to us what is sponsored video ads.
Yeah, of course. So sponsored brand video, it used to be called video in search, is a pay-per-click ad unit offered on Amazon that allows you to advertise any ASIN with a corresponding video. So it's probably best to actually show what this ad unit is. So if I pull up my screen here and I just show you for any given search term on Amazon. So let's say I'm over here on this laundry detergent search term. As I scroll down, I see my more traditional sponsored product ads. And then as I get to the bottom of the page here, I now see a video ad from Mrs. Meyer's Cleaning. So I can see that it highlights a video here talking a little bit about the product, and then also the product image, and then the product description as well. And then I think it's also important to give a brief history of the ad unit as well. So it's been about 6 months ago that it started to become available to sellers under that name, video and search, and it often had a minimum ad spend attached to it, so it wasn't that anyone could be investing in this ad unit. So it first became available on mobile, so it was only if you went to the Amazon app on mobile and you would scroll below the fold and then a video would appear. It's now expanded onto the desktop, as I just showed you, with placement at the bottom of search on page 1, and we certainly believe that the placement is going to continue to improve.
Who can use this video ad? Is it available for everybody or only for brand registered sellers?
Yeah, so the main requirement you need is brand registry. So if you're not a brand registered seller, the ad unit won't be available to you. But also important to note that the biggest barrier right now is that you need to have a quality video to be able to do this. So you have to have a video ready to go. We've got some suggestions definitely on how we recommend building videos, but what's even better than that is we're trying to democratize the availability of this ad unit to anyone. So what we've actually built is a video creator in-app so that you can go onto Perpetua the same way that you'd be launching your sponsored product and your sponsored brand campaigns on our platform. You can now launch a sponsored brand video, and even if you don't have a video asset at all, you can build that video asset from scratch right on the Perpetua platform.
Okay, can you explain like how does it work in Perpetua? How can you build up a video from the scratch?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm going to share my screen so that you can see the actual creator in action. Okay, so here's the piece of the page where it's create a video. So once I've gone to my sponsored brand video tab on Perpetua and I say that I want to launch what we call a goal, which is going to start the creation and optimization of your campaign, one of your first options is to create a video. So you can see here that we have some options that we take you through all of the different things that you need to enter to be able to build the video. And what's awesome about it is that we've built in these free themes for you to be using. We make it very simple for you to add in your product name, your images. What we've been doing a lot at Perpetua and trying to get down to a science is really figuring out where should the product image be? Where should the features be? At what point should we call it the brand name? All the things that can drive conversions on your actual video. So I'll walk you through exactly how I'd go about creating it. So I've clicked create video. I now can select one of my themes. So let's say I'm going to select this first theme here as an option, and I click to move forward. It's going to ask me what my product name is. So I enter it. In this case, I'm creating a video for Heinz Sriracha Ketchup. So I type in my product name, Sriracha Ketchup. I then add my images. So I've got my 2 images that I've added here. These can come just directly from Google Images. So I've added Heinz logo and then my product image as well. As I move forward, it's going to ask me to highlight what the key features are of my product that I want to be showing in the video. So I've entered in a few key features here. Signature rich and creamy taste, made with ripe Heinz tomatoes, ketchup with a twist, taste the goodness. These are the features that I want to highlight. And then it's going to ask me to select my color scheme. So I can spend a lot of time on this. I can spend a little bit of time. I've selected some pretty standard colors here to be adding to my video. I move forward to now selecting my music. So I've just selected the first one for simplicity, happy, fun, funky Motown. So I'll play it for a second so you can actually hear what it sounds like.
Wait, are you saying that Perpetua is giving us possibility to create a video?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, that's something different.
That's wow. Yes, cool.
Yeah, absolutely. We're absolutely giving you the ability to create video. And so now I'm actually almost done creating my video, which is awesome because it's only taken me about a minute. So again, I've selected this music now. Just going to ask me to verify my inputs, and then I can actually preview my ad.
Nice.
Pretty
okay, awesome. That's massive value add for the sellers for sure, because you could spend like hours making the same video you just did in like minutes.
Hours or possibly thousands of dollars. So
exactly.
The way that I just created this video here, that is all from either images that I have of my ASIN, images. In this case, I'm just using Heinz as an example. I've taken pictures off of the internet from a logo and product standpoint. So yeah, just going to use all of that available information to create that video here. What we're really trying to do is make it completely accessible to anyone. We want you to be focusing on building your business and not necessarily focused on building brand videos and product videos. We've gotten such awesome feedback from this, even with really large sellers and large brands that we work with. We've thought that, hey, maybe this tool won't be for them because they probably have plenty of brand videos, and they've gotten awesome value from this because they don't have video assets for all of their ASINs. They might have video assets that aren't built perfectly to convert on sponsored brand video ads, and we've kind of nailed it down to a science here and offering this up to anyone who's selling on Amazon with brand registry.
Okay, but I have a question. Like you have built this setup. So does it mean that if I create the video on your platform, it automatically will get approved by Amazon? Because what sellers have seen is that they upload a video they have produced before, and Amazon is just rejecting that, and they don't give out any reason, and it's kind of difficult to understand what went wrong or what needs to be changed.
Yeah, so everything about our themes and music and everything would have no issues with approvals. Of course, you're entering in your own product images, you're entering in all of your own features. So Amazon's going to have to approve those as well. But everything about the themes and the way that we've built the standard videos are approved by Amazon.
Okay, awesome. But have you tried doing any testing for videos? Let's say a video like you just showed us, or a video that is, let's say, produced by the seller by having like models showing how to use the product, etc. Like, have you seen any differences in the results?
Yeah, absolutely. So again, I think this really goes back to, we've even compared some of the videos that we've created with high quality created brand videos, and we've often found that our video asset can deliver stronger results. I really think it's very comparable to, if you have experience on Amazon's DSP platform for any display ads, you have the option of using Amazon's dynamic creative, or you have the option of using your own creative. Often your own creative might provide a much stronger message. It might have nicer images. You might think that it's a much better creative to be using, but we've seen the best results on the Amazon dynamic creative. So it's really about ensuring that we're setting our videos up, we're creating our themes in a way that we're actually going to be driving clicks and conversions. And so that's why we believe the way that we've set up our themes put you in as good of a position you can be in, even against some of the strongest brand videos that have been created.
And your software makes it possible to upload the video somehow into the listing?
Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, you're just following through, clicking next, and then it's the same way in terms of actually creating a campaign. So if I follow through, I won't actually build it in this case, but if I continue to go, it would go ahead and make that as part of my video campaign.
Perfect. So your platform it's like one-stop shop.
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. Absolutely.
Nice. Okay, so can you give us an overview of why would people need to start running these video ads right now?
Yeah, so I think there's a few reasons. So first off, video is an extremely powerful tool in any form of advertising, especially any form of digital advertising. That's not unique to Amazon at all. If you look at over the last 5 years, video ads on Facebook and Instagram have catapulted to be the most used and most effective ads on the platform. And we absolutely expect a similar trajectory on Amazon. As I mentioned, the placement is certain to improve, so that also is of high consideration when you're considering starting to run sponsored brand video ads. I think there's a huge opportunity from a first mover advantage here to test and learn. The opportunity is now, while the cost per clicks are relatively low on the ad unit. And like I said, with the tool that we have available, we're trying to make it so that there's absolutely no barrier to entry, so that no matter what size of a seller you are, you can get up and running with this ad unit right away.
And your tool, video creation tool, is included in the lowest tier plan of your software?
Yeah, so the way it works is that we're going to offer everyone 1 free credit to make a video, and then you can purchase 10 additional credits. It's 1 credit per video. You can purchase 10 credits for just $100.
And so since we have international viewers, is this the whole sponsored brand videos, are they available for European marketplaces, and is your tool available for European marketplaces?
So right now it's only available in the US, and that's just because sponsored brand video is only available in the US. We don't know an exact timeline of when it's going to be rolling out in Europe, but we do know that it should be in the UK and Germany first in the next few months, and then following that, the remainder of the European countries. So no timeline, unfortunately, on that. We're a little bit just waiting to hear from Amazon on when that's going to come out. But it's absolutely our intention that as soon as video ads are available in those countries, our tool is going to be available for those users.
Can you show us a little bit the Perpetua website so that people get familiar of how your website looks like? And let's see what else is included in the package.
Yeah, absolutely. Here's the Perpetua site. So I'm on a demo account right now that's just no real data, but allows you to see exactly kind of how the platform works. I have my account overview, so I can see my aggregate performance on all advertising campaigns. I can see how I'm performing on sponsored products in general, sponsored brands. I can see my total sales. I can graph out my organic versus attributed sales to measure my blended ACoS. I can go to my sponsored products tab. I have all of the goals that I have launched. My goals are based on a target ACoS and a budget that I've set. So I can see exactly how those are performing versus my target ACoS, the budget it's utilizing. And then as we just looked at here from a sponsored brand standpoint, now we have the ability that when you create a goal for sponsored brands, you can click plus new goal and select either traditional product collection or video.
So the website is perpetua.io, right?
Perpetua.io, yes.
Thank you very much, Joe, and good luck in your business. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe below to YouTube channel of Orange Klik, click the notification bell as well, because here we talk to different Amazon experts, Amazon software creators, and also event organizers whenever events are happening. So see you in the next video.